Good morning, truck driver. It's been a long, long night. How's the weather down your way? I know you're feeling alright. Have a black cup of coffee. Still wake and be well. And if you're rolling on the freeway, watch out for old Smoky Pal. If you're down in Louisiana or maybe up in Maine, or crawling out of New York City in a cold, cold rain, or in the Arizona desert, your destination LA. Good morning, truck driver. We hope you have a good day. Good morning, truck driver. We want to wish you luck. If you're driving you a semi or just a pickup truck, if you're hauling watermelons or spreading highway tar, good morning, truck driver. I mean, wherever you are. If you're down in Louisiana or maybe up in Maine, or crawling out of New York City in a cold, cold rain, or in the Arizona desert, your destination LA. Good morning, truck driver. We hope you have a good day. Good morning, truck driver. We hope you have a good day.